थोड़ी ड्रामेटिक है या शायद काफ़ी, मगर सच्ची है। बैक इन दोज डेज व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल, तो वो बच्चे नहीं होते जो टीचर्स के बहुत फेवरेट होते हैं। सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि वो क्लास में बहुत अच्छा स्कोर करते हैं, बट शायद इसलिए भी कि वो स्पोर्ट्स में भी होते हैं, स्कूल फंक्शन में भी एक्टिव होते हैं और बिहेवियर वाइज भी फ्रेंडली होते हैं। इस स्टोरी में वो मैं था। स्कूल लाइफ बहुत अच्छी चल रही थी, बट जब हम क्लास 12th में पहुंचे, एन एयर ऑफ सीरियसनेस फिल्ड द क्लासरूम, विच वॉज अर्लियर अ मिस। तो वो बच्चे जिनको टीचर्स या उनके पेरेंट्स बोलते थे कि तेरा तो कुछ नहीं होगा, वो भी अपने लिए कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढ रहे थे। एवरीवन वाज फिगरिंग आउट व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दिस एंड विच कॉलेज वुड बी बेस्ट फॉर देम। इसी सिमिलर प्रोसेस में आई मेड अप अ लिस्ट ऑफ सम कॉलेजेस based on my interest at that time, which was space. I planned to do physics honors from St. Stephen's or aerospace engineering from MIT. Not Massachusetts, but Madras Institute of Technology. सेम कॉलेज जहां से डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम स्टडीड, या फिर कोई भी कॉलेज जहां से मुझे एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग करने को मिलता। बट IITs वर नेवर इन द लिस्ट, एज आई थॉट IIT इज आउट ऑफ माई लीग। इसके दो रीजन थे। एक तो ये कि आई वॉज ऑल्सो अ विक्टिम ऑफ IIT हाइप एंड आई हैड ऑलवेज हर्ड दैट गेटिंग इनटू IIT इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। और दूसरा ये कि आई हैड सीन माई सिस्टर प्रिपेयरिंग रियली वेरी हार्ड फॉर नीट फॉर 2 years. हालांकि she got selected and did her MBBS from AFMC and now she's a doctor in army, but I had seen her studying hard for it and I knew कि मुझसे नहीं होगा ये सब। So yeah, coming back, in the last few days of class 12th, like every other PCM guy, I also filled up a form for JEE Mains, जो कि just 12th board के बाद हुआ, and I could clear it because I was in the study zone. JEE Main qualify करने से I got a chance to appear for JEE Advanced next month, and as I expected for myself, it was a long 6 hours of sitting practice where I was sometimes doing a few questions as well. Of course, JEE Advanced तो क्या ही qualify होना था उस time, but in those 6 hours of exam, flipping through questions, getting few rights, many wrongs, going halfway down in some, I questioned my conditioning. Is JEE Advanced that much tough? Could I have cracked it if I would have prepared? If every year thousands of students get into IIT, then why can't I be the one among those? These sort of questions that surfaced in my mind paved the way for my JEE journey. You know, if it is meant to be, it will find ways to happen. Class 12 board results were out and I got 98%. Okay, to be precise, 97.4. Highest in my school and I guess top 10 in the city or state. I don't remember exactly. देखो भाई, I am not boasting about my result, but this accomplishment initiated my JEE life. How? I'll tell you. ये ऐसा टाइम होता है जब शहर के सारे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स आपको कॉल करके अपनी स्कीम समझा रहे होते हैं। And like that, I too was getting such calls. But one fine day, I got a call from a nearby coaching institute that offered me full scholarship based on my 12th result they saw in the newspapers. It was a very tempting offer क्योंकि बाकी coaching institutes say 60% off, 70% off, 80% off and still charge heavy bucks. But this institute didn't ask for money. And that too I guess because they must have seen that this guy has got potential to get into IIT. And he will give us a rank to show in result next year onwards. As simple as that. I knew all this but still I joined, honestly because I had nothing else to do at that time. Colleges की counseling शुरू होने में भी time था and how much I love visiting new places, meeting new people, adding new experiences and that too when it was costing me nothing financially. And of course, I could study something as well. So that way my JEE life started on a lighter note with a bag and a rough notebook. Luckily, I got a call letter for an interview from St. Stephen's. I could clear that and finally get shortlisted for physics honors but I refused to go. I don't know why. शायद इसलिए क्योंकि this JEE preparation that I took up kind of gave me answers to those questions that surfaced in my mind after JEE Advanced. कुछ तो था which was not letting me go. And did I repent later? Yes, I did. मुझे याद है a few weeks later in a vacant classroom I called up St. Stephen's office and I asked if I could still get admission. And of course it was too late. See why it happened, why I called up. क्योंकि जब आप start करते हो JEE तो आप बहुत energetic होते हो. But as you progress and see things seriously, तब पता चलता है ये तो अलग ही दुनिया है। Later I felt कि कंफर्ट जोन में रह के JEE तो नहीं निकलेगा. I need to move out of this shell. The most difficult thing for me was to delete contacts of all my friends, even to block some, and shift to a Nokia handset meant for just calling and SMS. I don't know whether you will agree with me or not, but life becomes so simpler once you move out of your phone. है ना? I lost touch with my friends, but found some new friends in HC Verma, DC Pandey, RD Sharma, SL Loni, N Avasthi, MS Chauhan, and many others. My day used to start with sample problems, more and more problems, and finally ended in many problems. Lifestyle बहुत monotonous था. Each day looks the same. Yet you had to keep the spirit high even if you don't feel so. My life went through highs and lows as my marks did in weekly tests and even my hopes and fears for IIT. Gradually, my preparation came on track and I could get that confidence now to talk with my fellow mates, which I earlier couldn't because they always used to talk of JEE problems. बाद में यही लोग became my friends and still are. एक चीज I realized that with like-minded people who are going the same direction as you are, preparation becomes much easier. We used to study together after classes, completed DPPs, practice sample papers, and if time is left and all agree, then we would go out for outing, restaurant or movie. जैसे गली बॉय हम सबने साथ में देखी थी. Soon came the day of JEE Mains exam, जिसके लिए I was prepared कि हाँ last time qualify हुआ था. This time I could fetch good marks, and yeah, that's what happened. I got a good score through which I could be getting any NIT of my choice. Similarly, BITSET भी अच्छा हुआ, and I could be getting BITS Pilani and all. But all this year of preparation, hibernation, or so-called struggle was just meant to crack JEE Advance and get into IIT. So getting into IIT at that time was so important for me that I could even go with IIT Jammu over NIT Trichy or BITS Pilani. Finally, the next day was JEE Advance, and like every other IIT aspirant, I also felt anxious with so many questions in my mind circulating around what if I couldn't crack it tomorrow. That day, it was so disturbing to sleep at night. Next day in the exam, for those 6 hours, I had not got a single second to look around. In contrast to 1 year back when I could do nothing but to see people struggling hard in JEE Advance. Today, I was one among those, keeping eyes on the computer or on the rough sheet and hands constantly filling up the sheet to solve problems. The exam went good. I could sense that I have made it to IITs, and with the result announcement, it became assured. I took admission to IIT Roorkee, and literally, it makes my 1 year of hibernation for JEE worth it. From amazing campus life, excellent sports environment, hobbies club, fests, night out, trips, department life, hostel life, mess ka khana, weird colleagues, helping seniors, and so much. You have everything here you desire. From lakhs of JEE stories, this was my short story.